In this easy and quick tutorial, I will be showing you how you can fix sold out on Shopify if you are using AutoDS on Shopify. Now first, you want to go to your Shopify dashboard and then click on settings at the very bottom left. If this has to do with your shipping, shipping and delivery, just follow the steps, these easy steps, and you will be able to fix the problem. Just click on settings and then click on shipping and delivery, and after that you want to click on create a custom profile. Okay, so after you do that, you want to just name this profile whatever you want. For example, nothing, customers will not see this. Now click on add products, and then you want to add the products, and then click add the products you have a problem with, which is sold out. Just add these products, then click on done. So after you click on done, you want to add here the shipping zone, and here the zone name, just name it as again whatever you want. Customers will not see this. Now here you want to select here the shipping zones or the regions, countries and regions to ship to. I'm going to select these and then click on done, and then click on add rate. The custom rate name you want to add standard, and then the shipping price you can leave it 0, whatever you want. Then click on done. After that you want to click on save. Now you want to wait a few seconds, just close your Shopify and then open it again and see if the problem is solved. If it's not, then what you need to do next is you want to click on products. Okay, again go to your Shopify dashboard, click on products, and then what you need to do is you want to select all the products you have a problem with that are showing out of stock, and then click on bulk edit. So after you click on bulk edit, what you need to do, you want to click on columns in the top right. And then after that, you want to just click here. It says continue selling when out of stock. Just check this one. And you want to check this one that says track quantity. Now after that, what you need to do here below continue selling when out of stock, you want to uncheck all of these and then check them again. Okay. If they are checked, you want to uncheck them. If they are not checked, you want to check them all. I'm talking about under continue selling going out of stock, this one, as you can see. Now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click this one and it will check every box here, so that every variant will be able to sell without inventory. It will just keep selling regardless of inventory. Now like I said, check all of these, and here below track quantity here you want to uncheck. Okay, just uncheck these. I'm talking about below track quantity. You want to uncheck every box. Okay, check every box on continue selling when out of stock, but uncheck every box when you click on enter track quantity. After that you want to click on save in the top right. Now check if this problem is solved or not. Probably that's all you need to do to fix this problem. Like I said, close your Shopify store and then come back to it, and then you will be able to fix the problem. So if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments and I will try to give you a solution for your problem. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.